It was at this moment that he knew.
I did an oopsie. Yeah, hey, help me get off the runway. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're back here at the shop. We're unloaded, cars in here. I'm with the car. This one. So we did a oopsie. There was a slight boof. You guys' lens is kind of dirty. Looks all right though. There was a slight boof. Not crazy, not too bad. On anybody's part, I don't think. It was 100% my fault. I was chasing CJ a little too hard, dove in a little bit more than I could handle, bit off more than I could chew. I spun. Jesse clipped me. It wasn't too bad, but let's go ahead and give a damage assessment. Jesse's hood, and then I don't know if his radiator blew because of me or for other reasons, but he also lost a radiator that day. But my fender flare is a little hurt. I'm not going to change that. I'm going to leave it. My bumper was cracked down here and right there, but this crack is new. I don't know if all that was in frame. This crack is old. This crack is new. This crack is old. This crack is new. Not too crazy. I'm not going to change the bumper either. My headlights moved a little bit. Got some scuff. That's not too bad. I just got to move the brackets back a little bit. My bumper mounting points came apart, but that actually will sit back down. I had it sat back down, but then when I ran the strap through, I pulled it back up. So the bumper's pretty much okay. Just kind of hurt over there, but I'd already hit barrels with it there and stuff, so nothing too crazy. I'm gonna try to get you a good angle here where maybe you can see, showing you the right spot. It's right there. It's very bad. So the car has a bunch of toe in now. Like you can see, this one's slightly turned left. This one's slightly turned left. And this one's slightly more turned left. So I got to replace a tie rod and I got to replace an oil cooler because obviously my oil cooler got hit. It sucks that it was only on for one event, but she got hit. You can tell a bash bar hit right on that thing. Big bummer, but as you saw in the video already, I did still have oil pressure when I shut the car off. So my engine's gonna be fine. I just gotta replace an oil cooler and a tie rod and bend some stuff back. We'll be good to go. Jesse's gotta get a new hood. I feel bad. I might pitch in on a new hood for him. I don't know. But that's my damage assessment. I'll fix it here pretty soon. We got one more drift event with Riverside left this year. I've been trying to make it up to US Air, but it's really hard to get a spot for those events because they sell out so fast. So I'm trying. The car should be pretty good up there if it's good at Riverside. So I'm excited to go drive it. I hope it's fun. I'm trying. And then I really want to go drive that 100 Drifters of December thing too, but we'll see. So enough talking. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to tell your mom to subscribe.